These are the Model 11 Part 2 notes. We are still talking about binomial distributions. This is page 2. So to continue what we talked about on page 1, a success does not always mean it's a good outcome. And we will take a look at a couple of examples on the next page, which hopefully will make that clear. What we may be looking for is what triggers or who gets a migraine. Okay, did you have a migraine when it was sunny outside or not sunny? Okay, so our success, our definition of success, if you could see my air quotes, does not always mean that it's a positive. Okay, so here's our notation. P is our probability of success, N is our number of trials, and X is our number of successes. If you cannot identify any of those, then we cannot use a binomial distribution. So first things first, our mean of our variable, we're just going to go with that, is our number of trials times the probability of success. So let's go down to example 1. If a seed is planted, it has a 60% chance of growing into a healthy plant. So there's our P, which is our probability of success. In this case, it's that 60%, 0.60. You plant 10 plants and record the number of healthy plants that grow. So our N is 10. That is our number of trials. Those 10 plants are our trials. To find the mean, N times P, which is our 10, times our 0.6, which gives us 6, which makes sense. If I have a 60% chance of healthy plants, if I plant 10, I would expect to have 6 healthy plants out of the 10. Is it always going to happen that way? No, it's not, right? But it gives us an idea of what to expect. Standard deviation of a binomial distribution is the square root of N times P times 1 minus P. So it's our number of trials times our probability of success times the probability of a failure, all square rooted. So let's see what we got here. I have the square root of 10. My probability of success is 0.6. My probability of failure is 1 minus 0.6. So I've got 10 times 0.6 times 0.4, which is the square root of 2.4, which is roughly 1.55. So we have a standard deviation of 1.55 plants with a mean of 6.